Mission Impossible.
Mission Impossible. Discovery, scientific proving and conservation of a new species Nilagiri kaduva, Nilagiri tiger, without photos, direct sighting or DNA tests. And then making the world accept it?
Mission Impossible. Nilagiri Tiger Part 1.
Dear friends and wildlife conservationists, there is a shocking, mind-blowing and exciting development. It could be just possible that we have obtained the first ever video footage of an subadult Nilagiri Kaduva, that is Nilagiri tiger. Nilagiri tiger is an atom bomb in wildlife science and evolutionary science. It is a prehistoric animal. Nilagiri tiger is as big as a tiger when fully grown, with the face of a dog. It is reddish brown in color, some will be pale yellow. It has stripes similar to that of a tiger on its body. My finding is that Nilagiri tiger is the common ancestor of cat family and dog family. How I came to this conclusion is that it has the features of both. In part 1 of the documentary, you can see the discoveries of Dichotomous, invention, the first discovery in Neyyar Dam, the ongoing attack in Kilimanur, and the first ever CCTV footage of Nilagiri tiger. I request you all to come forward and support me both financially and otherwise, as I am taking up important conservation effort all alone. For 50 days or something, there was a attack of a unknown wild animal going on in Kilimanur in Trivandrum district. Trivandrum district is the place where I have discovered Nilagiri Kaduva for the first time in 2014. Neyyar Dam 2014. You can see the cage erected by the forest department to catch the so-called leopard. This is a Chandrika newspaper report. On 26th September 2014, one day after my first discovery on 25th September. The report says that Dichotomous said that the attacking animal in Neyyar Dam is not a leopard but a new species called Patti Kaduva, meaning dog tiger, which is the colloquial name of Nilagiri Kaduva. The report also says that the animal won't attack human beings and that its performance will be similar to that of a wolf. On 29th September, a family saw the mother and cub of Nilagiri tiger attacking their cat and a dog. The mother Nilagiri Kaduva attacked the cat while the 5-month-old cub attacked a fully grown dog, and the dog escaped for its life through the front gate into the main road. I and my team, who were stationed about 100 meters down the road, saw the dog escaping. The 5-month-old breastfeeding cub of Nilagiri tiger killed on 2nd October 2014, that is 7 days after my first discovery. Please note that the cub was killed after my first discovery. On 25th September, the first day of my discovery, I had told the local MLA George, the forest officers and others present that the color of Nilagiri tiger is reddish brown. I also told them that it has stripes similar to that of a tiger and dots. And when we obtained the cub 7 days later, the pattern on the body and the color was exactly what I had told 7 days earlier. This is a back cover page report in Mangalam newspaper on 7th October 2014. This is the first exclusive detailed news report on Nilagiri tiger in the world. After the discovery of Nilagiri Kaduva, I took on a mission, the mission impossible. The challenge was to prove and conserve a species for which historical records, the DNA test which was sabotaged by the forest department, and photos didn't exist. Nilagiri tiger was well known to people living near forests and Adivasis. Tiger is Kadua in Malayalam, but Nilagiri Kadua has main names. The main being Patti Kadua means dog tiger, Nai Puli in Trivandrum area, then Patti Puli in Thrissur district, Nai Kottan in Palakkad, Kattam Puli in the coastal belt of Thrissur. Like that, it has 5 colloquial names, while tiger has mainly only one colloquial name. As you know, from the start itself, I have been saying that Nilagiri tiger's main prey is dog. The Nilagiri tiger comes mostly into villages to catch dogs. And here in Kilimanur, there were many reported attacks on dogs. And the local people say that the stray dogs have disappeared. There are only 3 wild animals in Kerala forests which catches dogs: tiger, leopard and Nilagiri tiger. So as it is clear that it is either not a tiger or a leopard, the only possibility that remains in Kilimanur is Nilagiri tiger. Though I didn't get a scaled puckmark picture from Kilimanur, which is a very important thing. From the description, I get that it is much bigger than a dog and the size of a leopard. Kilimanur, where the present attack is taking place, is about 40 kilometers away from Neyyar Dam. But this is a place where Nilagiri Kadua has visited earlier, and I have already discovered Nilagiri tiger in Trivandrum district 4 times, 2014, 2 times in 2015 and 2018 in Varkala. That is even the coastal belt. And we have multiple eyewitnesses in all these places. Yesterday I got information from a journalist that the attack is going on there, and he sent me many evidences including packmarks which were not clear enough, killed and half-eaten goats. But one picture was very unique. It was a half-eaten dog. But I had some doubts about that photograph because we had only the half part of that dog. In a news clip, I have seen 2 women claiming that they have seen Nilagiri tiger attacking a dog. A fully grown Nilagiri tiger will be as big as the largest of the leopard or a fully grown tiger. The subadult of Nilagiri tiger will be as big as a leopard. And this is exactly the reason why some eyewitnesses in Kilimanur have said that they have seen a leopard, and some other eyewitnesses have said that they have seen a very huge dog that they have never seen anywhere else. This is a news report in Madhrubhumi, the second largest circulated newspaper in Kerala and 12th in circulation in India. As I am now in Chennai and the attack is taking place in another state, Kerala, I have released this news from 700 kilometers away. Another specialty of this report is that this is the first report where I have released the illustration of Nilagiri tiger. Most of my news reports, if you check, have come in media without even the picture of the cub. That was because the journalists were convinced that Nilagiri Kadua really exists by different reasons. One, they were convinced about my method F3B NSPM. Second, many reports have come while an attack was taking place in a village place. Third, there were many people who have seen Nilagiri tiger in the villages. And fourth, a very few journalists who reported on my discovery have themselves seen Nilagiri tiger, but they didn't know what it was till I explained it to them. And the conclusion I came to was that it could be not the fully grown Nilagiri Kadua which is conducting the attack, but a subadult. how I came to the conclusion was that that could be the reason why it is attacking more goats in this area than dogs, because it may be finding hard to catch dogs, especially when they are defending as a group. A sub-adult, for a sub-adult it will be difficult to catch a dog. For an adult, they will catch after a half an hour or something, they will catch it. But here, and second thing, the size of the buck mark. And third, the description also, the many people saw, the people who saw it mostly described it as leopard, but some described it as a animal much larger than a dog, which is the description of Nilagiri tiger. Nilagiri tiger has the body of a tiger and the face of a dog, but broad like a tiger. The face will be broad also, but mostly the face will look like a dog's face. This is for the fully adult Nilagiri tiger. And the only possibility I see this not to be the Nilagiri tiger footage is either it could be an attempt to deceive me by the lobbies which are against me, like the Roman Catholic lobby and other groups which are against me, who have been against me all these things. The Roman Catholic lobby and others had tried to introduce false eyewitness in Ooty in 2019, which I understood, and I have not published that video in my YouTube channel, despite most of the eyewitness in that village were genuine, and even the person who they were Christians, they gave a false description, not of Nilagiri tiger, but the time and place where they saw it. They told that they saw it in deep inside the forest at 1 p.m. 1 a.m. in the early morning, which is impossible. So that was a woman who was saying that. So I have discarded and I have posted that false eyewitness in my Facebook page, Dijo Thomas. So if it is not an attempt to deceive me by the lobbies against me, this could be very well the first ever footage of Nilagiri tiger. Because Nilagiri tiger, as this is a sub-adult, it will look much more than a dog. And even this video, the forest department is describing as a leopard, which is clearly not a leopard. The walking, everything is very clearly. So after, in this video itself, I will be posting the footage of that animal. So if it is the Nilagiri Kadua footage, this will be the earlier. There are in some instances of getting the some people getting the footage of Nilagiri Kadua and Nilagiri tiger, but it has not reached me. And if this is really Nilagiri tigers and this is a real footage and this was not to deceive me, then this could be the first verified Nilagiri tiger footage. So it is a very glad development. The second option which I see this could be false would be that this dog, even from the CCTV camera you can see that the legs are very high. The body is much bigger than any known dog species, but as it is a sub-adult, it has a vague resemblance to Great Dane. I am 80% confirming that this could be the footage of Nilagiri Kadua, Nilagiri tiger. I am a thorough professional. As of now, I am confirming only 80% that the attacking animal in Kilimanur, Trivandrum is Nilagiri tiger. All the evidences point to Nilagiri tiger, including eyewitness account, the puck marks, attacking pattern, behavior pattern, hunting pattern. I will confirm that the attacking animal is Nilagiri tiger and the footage is a genuine one only after reaching the spot, even though it has been widely reported in the media and my expert opinion has come in major Malayalam newspapers. I am releasing the footage of Nilagiri Kadua for the first time in the world for the whole world to see. Friends, you are now going to see one of the most elusive and most important species in the world, Nilagiri Kadua. You can see how he enters in a royal way. He has a body of a leopard and a face of a dog. You have to remember that this is only the sub-adult of Nilagiri tiger, not a fully grown one. This I have said even before this footage was obtained, and you can easily see that he is a wild animal. You can also see that there is no known species anywhere in the world which corresponds to the size and shape of this animal, though it is not a very clear footage. And you can see how stealthy he is, how alert he is. He is looking for even the slightest of the danger or a movement. The second he will take off and hide. This high stealth ability of Nilagiri Kadua is what is preventing from most of the people from seeing it and even getting a photo of it. And he is drinking water there. This footage was sent to me by some journalist from Kilimanur. This is there in this was obtained in Kilimanur, and I am 700 kilometers away in Tamil Nadu right now, so I cannot verify it in the field. See his alertness, how alert he is. When he again he is checking for any danger. This alertness and stealth ability is what hindered me from obtaining his photo or even a direct sighting by myself, though he has escaped from near me many times in many places in South India. I was after him more than 1 3/4 of a year in Thrissur, but he eluded me. This alertness that you just saw what prevented me from getting his photo. If Nilagiri tiger thinks that there is a danger, he will take off before anyone could see him. That's his stealth ability. Dear friends, please subscribe to my channel Dijo Thomas and press the bell icon to see exciting and very important videos on new discoveries, that is extremely rare new discoveries, important wildlife conservation efforts, nature, science and philosophy. Friends, please share the videos maximum in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., so that people all over the world will come to know about the extremely rare species and very important conservation efforts which I undertake here. Thank you. The YouTube channel Dijo Thomas will be mostly in English for my international friends.